What's going on YouTube? It's Bushy's mama, and this was recommended on Diana, and I am excited to play it. I'm a little confused. It says it's a part, let's see, part 4, but I couldn't find anything that was it was anything else. Okay, so this is a little, it's 13 minutes, and of course it's late, and I'm not going to be able to do all 13 minutes, but it's a concert at the Wood Grouse's Nest. That's interesting. The Bard Club. We just did the Bird's Nest for Hua Chen Yu in China, and now we're at the Grouse's Nest for Diana. So intro, and then another Snowstorm is the first song. So let's get it started. Maybe we can get 2 songs in. Oh, the ornery horses, finicky horses is another way to put that. And this Oh, look, we do have English closed captions. Hopefully it's not auto-generated. Yay! Okay, we're in business, y'all. Had a busy weakness with Bushy's graduation from law school, so you'll be seeing Bushy more on the channel, and maybe perhaps on some of these reviews too, reactions.
Вот такая у нас жизнь, слава Богу, что она возобновляется, наша творческая жизнь. Все это в первую очередь благодаря вам, потому что пока вы желаете...
Nothing and nobody can forbid you to do it? Well, as long as you're wearing a mask. Well, I don't know what it's like there. I do know that it's not over yet.
И хотите ходить на концерты, никто и ничто не запретит этого делать, я уверен.
Oh, they're singing together. Oh boy. Beautiful. Okay, speaking of beautiful, I better stop this and make a reaction. Of course, you guys know that I'm loving this. Now, I think I've seen a video of this song with her. And I think I've seen her sing with a guy before. but it's just maybe. But I do love their voices together. I don't think she looks completely comfortable singing with a male. I'm probably way off base on that. She's probably very comfortable. She's a teenage girl. But she looks a little uncomfortable to me. So let me go back. Well, you know, her style is just more reserved anyway. So I don't think it's uncomfortableness, but she's just more reserved than most singers, in my opinion.
На пороге долго не томись, и теперь у нашей повторившейся любви станет сроком давности вся жизнь. Опять метель, и мается былое в темноте. Опять метель, две вечности сошлись в один короткий день. Опять метель, и мается былое в темноте. Опять метель, две вечности сошлись в один короткий день. Короткий день. Короткий день.
I loved it. I love it. You know, I'm going to stop here. And tomorrow I'm going to start earlier and finish off the concert. Just because I do not know the man and I don't know if it's going to get through or not. And so let's see. Let's see, who is this guy singing with our Diana? Okay. Well, see, this is why I don't know, because I can't find it. Okay, here it is. And this person. Okay, let's look this person up. Copy. Google Translate. Google Translate.
Сергей Волчков.
Sergey Volchkov. There you go. So tomorrow I'm going to start earlier and finish watching the performance, the concert with Diana and Ankudinova and Sergey
Сергей Волчков.
Volchkov. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm happy to have found it and been recommended with it. And if you would like to help out the channel, please like and subscribe and leave a comment, because that's my favorite part. And until next time, YouTube, smile like you mean it, from the Bushy fam.